Fly with me in a Cessna 172 to Trenton. Hey everybody, it's your boy ST, the Nautical Miler. Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Everyone hit that thumbs up button while we're on final approach. I thank you for coming in for this flight today, and let's get right to it. This particular flight here, coming down from Caldwell, Kilo Charlie Delta Whiskey, we're heading down to Trenton Mercer Airport, KTTN, Kilo Tango, Tango November. You know, I've been wanting to do this flight for a long time, but you know, life gets in the way, weather gets in the way, and today was that perfect day to get out in that Cessna 172 and get this flight in. You know, I had a little bit of problems with my audio in the beginning, so this is why you get to hear my lovely voice. But anyway, we were given runway 24 clear to land from a 5-mile final, and here we are, safely made it into Trenton. And at this point, ATC asked me, do you think you can accept a 180 and go back to the taxi ramp right there? So right on the runway, you know, as you can see, I'm slowing down, and you know, I kicked the 180. You know, I was able to, so she gave it to me. So we kicked the 180, and what that did, that allowed us to be back closer to the FBO. You can see there off the right, you know, as I'm turning around. And also, they got us off quicker off the runway because there was a jet that was, you know, obviously faster than me coming in. So the quicker I get off the runway, you know, the quicker they could be cleared to land, you know. But man, I was so excited to come to this airport. There's nothing like coming to an airport that you've never been to for the first time.
We made it, guys.
That was fun. Yeah. I recorded the landing.
Nice. Got it like this?
Yeah.
Cool. See, that's flight serve.
Oh, okay.
Let's go inside. We doing big stuff. Let's see. Where should we park?
I don't know.
Let's park over there. Wait, I'm gonna go right. Should I go right in between those planes? I'm gonna go over there.
Yeah.
You know, coming to a new airport and experiencing new things is always a fun thing. You
gonna
know,
park over here.
You get into the
There's a
FBO
helicopter
and,
right there.
you know, just trying to figure out, every place has their own particular way they like to do things. So finding out where to park and how to park, you know, that could be one of those things. But, you know, next time I come here, I know exactly what I'm going to do when I'm ready to park, you know?
All right. Avionics off.
Yeah, we made it to Trenton. Kilo Tango, Tango November. We made it. Ready? Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Look at that. One day, I'm gonna take y'all up in it. One of y'all. I'm gonna hold. See who gets to fly with me. All right. Personal escort. Fresh off the plane.
Man, I must admit, coming down to Trenton, I was like a kid in a candy store. First and foremost, I love aviation, and to have the opportunity to be so up close and personal with so many beautiful aircrafts was one thing that I really wasn't expecting, because it really wasn't that busy at Trenton today. So we got the personal up close experience to see these aircrafts, and it was a great feeling to inspire my daughters and give them the opportunity for broader perspectives in life. Who knows, maybe I've just inspired the next great pilot in my family. But like I said, this was a quick flight, so let's get out of here.
Trenton Ground, Skyhawk 453 Papa Tango, ready for taxi from flight serve, northbound departure, information Foxtrot.
Calling ground to taxi, was that Flex Jet?
Skyhawk 453 Papa Tango at flight serve.
Yeah, I'm getting a lot of feedback. Could you just say your numbers again?
Try this one. Skyhawk 453 Papa Tango at flight serve.
Okay, that came through loud and clear now. Cessna 453 Papa Tango, runway 24, taxi via Delta Fox, but hold short of 34 on Delta for now.
Taxi Delta Fox, hold short, runway 34, 3 Papa Tango.
You know, in the beginning of your private pilot
Flex Jet
career,
541
you may
Trenton.
find it extremely tedious or difficult, very challenging to talk to ATC. You have to write everything down. You should write everything down and be prepared to repeat everything back verbatim, or at least the most important part.
Okay. You're telling me to hold short because that plane is coming in. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
And also, have your airport diagram pulled up so that way, as you're getting your instructions, not only are you writing things down, you can see what's being told to you. It makes it everything easy. You can see it, you can write it, and you're golden.
Hold short of runway 34.
453 Papa Tango, now you can cross runway 34 at Fox, hold short of 24 at Fox. Can you accept the 4,600 foot intersection departure, or would you like the full length?
I would like full length if possible.
Okay, very good. Well, make the right turn on Foxtrot, cross runway 34, and hold short of 24 on Fox for now.
Cross runway 34, hold short at Fox, runway 24, 3 Papa Tango. Cross runway 34.
Even though I've been given clearance to cross runway 34, it's head on the swivel. I'm looking left and right and making sure nothing's coming. Even ATC can sometimes make mistakes.
Hold short of Fox. Okay. Oh, okay. Hold short of Fox.
And now Cessna 453 Papa Tango, cross runway 24 at Foxtrot. Right turn on Bravo will take you down for the full length of runway 24.
Cross 24 at Fox, down Bravo to hold short runway 24, 3 Papa Tango.
You see, just by having my airport diagram pulled up as I'm receiving instructions, it makes that easy to understand. Didn't even have to write it down because I can see it.
Think you can hang with this, Jaleesa?
What, flying?
Yeah, and all the taxiing and talking the tower?
I don't know.
Yeah, you could. If I could do it, you could. If I could do it, you could do it. It came from me.
Yeah.
There was a time I was like, there's no way I could do this.
Oh my gosh.
Just gotta take your time. Just listen to what said to you, write things down,
Yeah.
develop your shorthand, you know. And if you just gotta immerse yourself. Go short of 2-4. Okay. Stop here and do our run up. We'll go over the tower. That's right. Tower is 120.7, 20.7, 121.5 here. Okay. 1,200 feet before we make our turn. And we are nowhere near the Bravo, so okay, we're good.
6453 Papa Tango, just let me know when you're ready for departure. And what was your direction of flight?
To the northeast for Kilo Charlie Delta Whiskey.
Are you ready?
Give me like a couple more minutes. I'm almost ready.
Take your time. It looked like you pulled up when you were ready. Okay, just hold short. Let me know when you're ready.
Roger. Nice, right? Okay, 120.7, 121.5. Strobe, landing lights. Turn the taxis off. All right. We're all set. 118.1. All right. Let's get it. All right, you guys are ready?
Yep.
Let's go home. Close your windows.
Yeah.
Trenton Tower, Skyhawk 453 Papa Tango. Hold it short. Runway 22 Bravo. Ready for takeoff. Northeast.
453 Papa Tango, runway 24, clear for takeoff. You want a right turnout?
That'll be fine.
Whichever works better for you, you got it. And 3 Papa Tango, you are clear for takeoff, 24.
Clear for takeoff. Runway 24, right crosswind on departure. Thank you. Who's ready to go home? Right crosswind turnout. Let's get on the runway. Set. Everything is good. 2-4. And here we go. Engine instruments. Green, green, green. Suction, green. And let's go. Try to keep that center line.
If there was one thing that was constantly drilled into me during flight training, it's center line discipline. You must always fight to maintain center line no matter what. It is the perfect way, the right way to fly. Always maintain your center line discipline. Whenever and however, in the best way.
See Philly? Straight ahead? All the
Right.
buildings?
Yeah.
That's Philly. No traffic in sight. You're looking good. Smile for the
Tower, November 215 Lima Papa with information Foxtrot. We are 7.5 miles southwest, inbound for full stop termination.
215 Lima Papa, Trenton report left downwind 24.
Left downwind, runway 24, 215 Lima Papa.
Oh, he's gonna be left downwind, runway 24. Where is he at? In the southwest. Oh, we gotta watch out for him.
3 Papa Tango, what altitude you climbing to?
I noticed some traffic around me. I like to get to 3,000.
All right, I just wanted to point out there is a Seminole off your nose, 3 miles, working Philly at 3. They'll be descending him for the RNAV to 24.
All right, I can turn 5 or 10 degrees to the left for the moment just to stay out of his way.
Yeah, that Seminole, it's 3 miles off your nose, is at 3.
215 Lima Papa, midfield, left downwind.
Traffic not available.
What?
There was so much traffic out there, coming in as well as leaving. Head on a swivel. You really had to keep your eyes open.
Tower Skyhawk
and your eyes
2363 Mike,
outside
holding
the
short runway
cockpit.
24.
Tower correction, I'm turning to a heading of 050. 3 Papa Tango.
3 Papa Tango, that Seminole's at 2,000 feet now, not a factor. You're out of the Delta, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved. 3 Papa Tango.
This is 2373 Mike, if you're ready to go now, traffic turn on left base, runway 24, clear for takeoff. 2.
Oh, there goes the plane.
See it?
Yeah, it's
Oh, I see
beneath
it.
us.
Yeah, I see it.
I see it, it's down there.
They're going fast.
Yeah.
All right, we're on our heading.
That was another airport.
That's the airport?
Yeah, down here.
Oh. Oh, now I see it.
Oh wow, look at that down there.
Quarry.
Yeah.
Looks like a
Like-
hole.
That's where stone and dirt come from for construction companies.
Wow.
You like dig for fossils in there, sort of.
Nah, just rock and stone to build to do construction.
We learned that during the 3rd grade.
All right. Full landing checklist.
And 5
Fuel,
uniform
select
again,
both.
Cessna about half mile to the east, northeast of Square Lake, 1,100 departing to the northwest.
Flaps.
Moving factor, wind 150 at 5, runway
Landing
22.
car
clear for the
beat, landing lights,
Runway 22, clear for the option, 56
Seat
uniform.
belts.
We'll take a look for we can keep an eye for the
brake
traffic.
tests, ready to land.
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
Yep.
Get down to traffic pattern altitude, which is 1,200, 1,200. Everything's good. Green, green, green. No traffic in sight. No traffic is a factor. All right, traffic pattern altitude.
Cessna 3 Papa Tango, stay type landing.
Full stop, 3 Papa Tango.
Cessna 3 Papa Tango, number 2, follow Cessna, wing up, right base, wind 160 at 5, runway 22, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 22, 3 Papa Tango. See it? He's turning base to final at your 1 o'clock. Now he's on final, heading straight towards the runway, 1 o'clock.
Oh.
Sit back some so I can see. All right.
Oh, there it is.
Traffic not available.
Okay. 1500. A little bit of trim. Flaps. He's on final. Okay. Make our turn. Try to get a horizontal like that if you can. Okay. Second notch of flaps. Turn that off.
Traffic not available.
Speed looking good. 500 feet per minute. Coordinated. Looking good. I turn the final. Right rudder.
To the runway.
Full flaps. Got a little bit of a crosswind.
If you've made it to the end of the video, I truly appreciate your time. I please ask you to subscribe, comment below, hit the thumbs up button. Let's get that algorithm to share this video out far and wide. And once again, I thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.
Ooh! Ooh, that boy nice.
Uniform wind 1807, runway 22, clear for the option.
22, clear for the option. 56
Ooh, let me get off at Bravo.
Attention all aircraft information, Victor is now current, called altimeter 3019er.
That's a nice landing.
Yeah.
Nice, right?
Uh-huh.
All
3
right.
Papa Tango, you going back to Century?
Roger that. Sentry.
3 Papa Tango, remain this frequency, taxi to Century via Bravo.
Taxi via Bravo. Remain with you. Thank you. 3 Papa Tango.